In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to work on your big toe circumduction. So in this, I'm going to be using my left foot as my example, and circumduction simply means to work the big toe in a circle, so to be pulling it in a circular direction. I would want you to do this both clockwise and anti-clockwise. And what you're going to do here is you're going to bring one hand in contact with the four toes that aren't your big toe, and you're going to bring them out the way so you've got the most amount of space to work the big toe. From here, I want you to work in flexion, extension, abduction and adduction. So you're going to pull back, forwards, side to side. So for those looking to recover from a big toe break and to get flexion, extension, abduction, adduction back, this is a fantastic exercise, as well as those just looking to improve foot circulation or those with a stiffness within the big toe. Once you've repeated your desired amount of sets and repetitions for pulling the toe forwards, back and side to side, what you're then going to do is you're then going to start working in that circular direction. So I'm going to bring my toes out the way so you can see best here. And from here, I'm then just going to repeat this movement, this circular movement, for as long as I want. So for example, you might decide to do this for 30 seconds, 45, you might want to build it up. And then once you've done your allotted amount of time, then do the other direction, to the other circular direction to what you've done. And then once you've done that, if it's just one side where you've got an injury, you might leave it at that. However, if you've got the injury on both sides, so it's bilateral, you might do exactly the same on the opposite leg. That's how to work your big toe circumduction.